What's up, y'all? Lodges Repair back again with another video. Today we're gonna take the Sony Dsc Hx80. We're gonna take it out again today, but we're gonna be putting it on the wind reduction mode. We want to see if that helps out with the wind before I install the wind muffs on the camera. I'm going to look at my toolbox. I think I got some things I can put over the mic inputs, but we're going to take it out. I'm currently shooting on just regular mode right now. I think I'm shooting on the one that's green, the little when you click the dial, it's the green little icon. And like I said, we're going to just cut on the wind reduction when we go out for a quick ride, and we're going to just see how much of a difference do that make, okay, before I install the wind muffs. Okay, let's go. Alright, y'all, the wind reduction mode is currently on. I'm going to power on the bike. Like I said, I don't know how this is gonna sound, but we'll see once we get done with the ride. Okay. Alright, it's kind of windy today, so it's gonna be perfect to put this through the test. You know, by it being so windy. And I'm gonna use the throttle some to help create even more wind, so that we really can put this thing through the test. So, man. Like I said, y'all, we got it on the wind reduction. We want to see how much of a difference wind reduction is going to make as far as hearing all of the wind that we heard yesterday. I'm doing a casual ride right now, but as we get a little bit farther, we're going to crank it up a notch. I'm going to use some throttle so it'll really force some wind into the camera, and we're going to see if that wind reduction mode is worth keeping it on or not whenever you're riding a bike, or maybe doing something that's going to create more wind to go over your mic. I've seen one, I think it was one video somebody had did a video of the wind reduction, but they wasn't doing anything that was going to create a real world scenario of whether the wind reduction is going to help or not. Because if you're sitting still, of course, the wind reduction mode is designed to quiet down all of the wind that will be going over the camera, causing you to not be able to hear but I do real world settings, so this will be a whole lot better to let you know whether that wind reduction is gonna work, because I'm actually out riding a bike, and it's kind of windy today, so this is gonna be perfect because the wind gonna be blowing over the camera, and we should be able to pick up some kind of wind noise. It's blowing a little bit harder than what it was yesterday, so it should be perfect, but we'll see, okay? Alright, I'm gonna twist just a little bit, get us around this little bend. I'll pick up some speed in a little bit. Okay. All right. I haven't charged the bike up. I think this will make the third day. I rode it, and I haven't put it on the charge. So we're just gonna be cruising the street. Got a couple dogs out doing some barking again. So we'll see if the wind reduction, see if it'll pick that up. Like I said, I don't know. It's my first time testing it. Yesterday was the first time I actually tested the camera out as far as recording the video part, okay? So after we get down here to the stop sign, I'm gonna use some throttle. We're gonna go down maybe through that neighborhood. We haven't been down in a while, and see if they, what it looks like down there, okay? It's been a while, but we're gonna see what we got. Alright, we're picking up some speed, creating some wind, okay? A little bit more wind. Alright, we're going about 17 miles per hour. The electric speed handlebar is kind of short, so you guys need to be careful when you're riding this bike, especially when you're hitting bumps. To make sure you hold on tight to this handlebar. Okay. Like I said, we're gonna just ride through the neighborhood and just see if there's any changes. Okay. I'm gonna pedal a little bit, and then we'll go back to the throttle. Okay. Okay, let me change my mileage so we can see how much. Right now we at 1 mile. just kicked up a gear. Right. So there's one of the houses that's finished. Okay. They got some more houses that's them going up. You can see that one. The guys that's doing the building. It's no joke. Okay. You can see it's got plenty of houses back here now. These are some vacant lots. Okay. Going down here now, going about 18 miles per hour. So that should be able to pick up a lot of sound from the wind. Like I said, this is just a test. We're testing the wind reduction mode out on this Sony Dsc Hx80, okay? We're trying to see if this wind reduction mode, if it's worth keeping on or not, okay? Especially when you do what I do, because I do a lot of bike riding videos, and of course when you ride a bike, you're gonna get a bunch of wind because of, you know, how fast that you're moving and the wind that's blowing across your camera, okay? But yeah. We are off again. We're still riding in pedal assist 1. Getting a nice little workout in. Pretty tired. I worked pretty long last night, but I got up fairly early this morning, and I said, you know what? Let me get up. Let's make this video with the wind reduction. Okay. Alright, we're at 2.3 miles right now. Okay. This is a tough little hill to get up. Okay. Alright. Alright, y'all. We just got back. Wind reduction is still on, but yeah, we just got back, and let's go see what this thing sounds like. Okay, Logic Repair signing out.